Thank you for joining us here in Chelmsford. My name is Peter Haynes and I'm the CEO of Wood & Mortimer, and you are here joining me to have a look at this fabulous new car. This is our new premises, purpose-built premises in Chelmsford, and this is the first of a new era of Wood & Mortimer Sport, WM Sport E-Types. It's an incredible thing, and thousands of hours of love and attention has gone into creating this. It has numerous bespoke details. My colleague Matthew Berry, who was one of the lead technicians that created this car, is going to talk you around it in a minute. But it's wider, it's got beautifully, subtly flared arches, it's carrying wider Dunlop-style racing wheels, wider rubber, it's got bespoke features to the interior. Crucially, the engine is producing about 400 brake horsepower and a similar amount of foot-pound of torque. So it is incredibly fast, incredibly powerful, and also using a wide-angle cylinder head, it's bored to 4.7 litres. So under the bonnet is where a lot of the time and a lot of the money has been invested, and it really is quite a special thing. But it doesn't stop at the engine. There is so much about this car that is so special. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to Matthew Berry. And Matthew has been with the company a very long time, and he is one of our most trusted and skilled technicians. Matthew gets to build a lot of the very special projects that the company has undertaken, and this has been the latest of those.
Here we have the WM Sport engine. We've got some quite exciting features on here. As you can see, the wide angle head. We've fitted a better cooling system to the car with bigger radiator core, modern alternator. We have breathed on the suspension with coilovers, racing roll bars, completely upgraded suspension. But more importantly, to stop a car this powerful, we've got 6-pot calipers that we've had specially made for Wood & Mortimer. We have a sports exhaust system, been bespokely made for the car. Many features. Particularly, I want to bring you to the attention of the original airbox for the car. Now, inside that airbox is a vacuum pump. So not to disturb the carburetor airflow, we put a vacuum pump inside the original airbox with also a breather tank that's completely silent, but also keeping the original patina and matching the heater box. So we're really excited about it. It's the first time we've done that. As you can see, it's on side drive carburetors to give this sort of raw noise of a driving experience that you'd expect from a car like this. Here we are inside the cockpit. What we have here is a Wood & Mortimer Sport 5-speed gearbox, which is built exactly to the same specifications and size as an original gearbox 4-speed. So there is no modifications or cutting of the chassis in any way. As you can see here, you can see the seats with the beautiful leathering, but also, most importantly, this curved back, which we've scalloped and shaped to give a much greater feel and sports back, but still get you lower in the car and with greater comfort. We've also changed the pedal box ratios so we can also get as maximum amount of foot travel and distance in the car as we possibly can in a car built in the 60s.
So I hope you've enjoyed that whistle-stop tour of this special car, and that you've got a basic understanding of the love and attention that's gone into it. The good news is now it's almost at completion. The car is for sale, it's available to buy. If you'd like to come to Chelmsford and have a look at it, we'd be delighted to show it to you. But really, this is the ultimate road-going E-Type. It's as much power as anyone has ever got out of one of these engines. It really is something to own and cherish, and it's going to be completely different to any other E-Type that you're going to find out there. So thank you for joining us, thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon.